Today we will learn the word amount. It is useful when talking about how much of something there is. Amount means a quantity or number of something. It shows how much you have. People often confuse amount with number. Use amount for uncountable things and number for countable things. Common phrases are, amount of water, amount of money, total amount, large amount. You often say an amount of. She saved a large amount of money. The amount of sugar in the recipe is small. We don't have enough amount of time. The amount of rain this year is very high. John wanted to bake a cake but added a wrong amount of salt. The cake tasted bad. This shows why amount is important. Think of counting an amount of coins in a jar. That helps you remember amount means quantity. Now you know amount means quantity. Try to use it today. See you in the next lesson.